Hey, what's up, amazing people? I am down in my basement workshop, which is the laundry room, really, and working on a text block Bible that is a challenge. And so let me give you the short end of the story, tell you a little bit about what I'm doing with it. Number one, I get this email from a guy, and he goes, "Hey, I want to send you my pastor's Bible, but his dog ate it." And I'm like, "His dog ate it?" And basically, here's the kind of the remainder of the text block. And like, the dude's dog ate it, and it's full of notes. But the problem is like the dog destroyed this Bible. So what I'm doing is I've got to take two Bibles and make one Bible. And so what I'm doing is I ordered, actually the guy that sent it to me ordered off of eBay, I think, a text block that's the same text block. And what I've done is I've like ripped a signature out here. I've ripped a signature out here, and I'm using my trusty like paper cutter. It's a swing line paper cutter because I'm too cheap for a guillotine. And what I'm doing is I'm all the way through like Isaiah at this point, but I am creating a new text block by combining the two. Now, some of them kind of back in here, I actually had to take, because the pages were too far gone with the notes, I actually had to take some, let me see if there's one, like here's one. So I actually had to take some pages and like splice, like this section of notes here is actually spliced in. And so I was able to do that by using document repair tape, as well as straight edge cutters. And so, yeah, so far so good. So we're going on a journey trying to figure out how to get this Bible put back together, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. That's the old text block that, like, and the thing is not every page has notes on it. Like, a little page here and there. So, like, there's one page, like that one, like right there, like, it's got a name that he wrote next to that. So we want to save that page, and those are still stuck together because literally the dog's saliva got into it and made them stick together. So we'll see. So I've got a line that I marked on my cutter to like make sure that everything's good. And it is. So here we go. All right. There's the new block. So what I do, I'm gonna set the new one here, set the old one here. The old one, don't need that page. So we're gonna fold that over. I'm keeping this bottom one. I'm getting rid of the top one. And so here we see 663's got markings on it. So that's gonna go here. And that's gonna go there. And so I don't know of a better way to do that other than just kind of go through it. But, you know, just keeping the pages where they need to be. Verse 667 is, here. and it is not here. So that's how I'm doing every page of this Bible. I don't know any other way to do it.